Welcome to my video. Today we're at the Dorothy Peacock Nature Center. Here it is in all its glory. Let's go down here. Got some trails down there. What's the Got like a little waterfall over there. Whew. See it? Right there. Right there. Let's go up the steps. Woo. Woo. See more of the waterfall. Got like a raptor house. Oh, look, we got some birds. Got some raptors. We got some raptors. And they eat sex fish, child smoke, birds, and mammals. But, oh wait, these are actually called red-tailed hawk. There they are. Oh, that's an owl. Hey, buddy. What up? Ooh, 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 ooh. We'll see this video, and I'll see you all later. Bye.